Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today we have some exciting news to share, so let's get straight into it. Bitcoin is mere hours away from its weekly close, and the signs are overwhelmingly bullish. Should this momentum persist, we're poised for a thrilling surge in the coming days. The market is undeniably heating up. A significant development to highlight is yesterday's inflow into Bitcoin ETFs, which amounted to a substantial $39 million. This influx is noteworthy, especially considering today's price dynamics, suggesting we might witness yet another day of positive inflows. Clearly, institutional investors are increasingly engaging, a promising indicator for Bitcoin's future price movements. Now let's delve into the specifics. Bitcoin commenced trading today at $58,000, reaching a peak of $59,953. Our immediate upside targets are set at $60,400 and $62,100. Should we surpass these thresholds, we could be looking at considerable gains in the short term. However, it's crucial to remain vigilant on the downside as well. The critical support level to watch is $56,600. Should Bitcoin begin to retreat, this will be the pivotal point to monitor. With the weekly close imminent, coupled with today's price action and the encouraging ETF inflows, Bitcoin appears well-positioned to sustain its bullish trajectory. Remember to like, subscribe, and activate notifications for continuous updates. What are your predictions for Bitcoin's next move? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I wish you a great start into the weekend, and see you in the next one.